Hi guys. In this class, you're learning the vowel A. Okay, the letter A in English can produce two primary sounds, short and long. These different sounds can significantly alter the meaning of the word. In this case, the short A sound. Um, sound is pronunciate pronunciate in a more close and quick manner. It means saying the letter A on this owl, but in a short, more clipped way. For example, cat, hat, man, fat. Uh, when producing the short A sound, your mouth opens, slide, and your tongue move to a lower and forward position. Okay, in this case, the long A sound. The sound is more open and jaw out. It's closer to the name of the letter um, as itself. For example, cake, name, plane, game. Okay, to make the long A sound, open your mouth with it and relax your tongue.
Hello guys, today we are going to explain another one of the five vowels, okay? For now, we're gonna talk about the letter E, okay? This vowel is used in many words and learning how to pronounce it correctly helps people understand us better, okay? So, why is this important? It's important because we use vowels correctly, we can communicate more clearly, and it's giving like superpower to our words, okay? So, I'm gonna talk about two important ways to sound with letter E. We have the long sound and the short sound, okay? The long E sound sounds like when we say C or tree, okay? And the short it sound sounds like when we say bed or net, okay? So, to say this is strange, your mouth had a little like a smile with the long sound, okay? For example, tree and C, okay? But the short it sounds is quickly and soft, like I told you before, like net, a pen, or red, okay? It is a fast pronunciation, okay? Here we have some examples. With the long it sound, says me, tree, and see. And the short it sounds like vet, pen, and red. Okay? For now, I'm gonna ask you some questions, okay? And you to answer that. For example, how does the it sound in the word see? Long or short? Think about it, okay? Okay, the correct answer is the long form. We use C, the letter A, he has a long sound, okay? It sounds like, I just like in tree or free. It sounds like clear and the last is a little longer, okay? So, the second question is, how does the it sound in the word net? Think about it, okay? Long or short? Okay, the correct answer is the short form. Why? In the word knit, the letter it make a short sound. It sounds like similar to pen or sit. This sound is quickly and soft as I told you before, okay? So that's all for today. Thank you guys.
Hi kids, today we're going to learn about one of the five vowels, which is the letter I. This vowel is used in many words, and learning how to pronounce it correctly help people to understand us better. Why it's important to learn this letter? Because when we use vowels correctly, we can communicate more clearly, and it's like giving superpowers to our words. So let's talk about two important ways to pronounce the letter I. There is the long I sound. It sounds like when we say ice cream. This is a strong and clear sound, okay? And the another short E sound. This is a softer sound, like when we say insect. Insect, okay? So how does I sound? As I said before, the long I sound, uh, to say this, you have to open your mouth and smile, okay? Like when we say bike or fight. And the short E sound, this sound is quick and soft, like small E sound. For example, in words like sit or fish. Okay, I have some pictures here to show you. Here is the word ice cream. This is a long I sound. Bike, it's another long I sound. And the last one is the kite. Okay. And these words are short E sound. For example, insect, seed, and fish. Okay, now we're going to do a mini quiz. I'm going to show you some pictures. You have to think and tell me, or yeah, answer to yourself what are the sounds. I'm going to classify it in short sound and long sound. I'm going to give you the correct answer, okay? How does the I sound in ice? The correct answer is long sound. Why? Because in ice, the letter I has long sound, and just like in the words line or slide, this sound is clear and lasts a little longer. Okay.
Hello, kids. Today we're going to learn all about the letter U and its two different sounds, long U and short U. Understanding the sounds of the letter U will help you read and pronounce word better. Let's jump in and make learning fun. The letter U in English is pronounced U. We have words like universe, ukulele, utensils, among others. There are long and short sounds when pronouncing it. In long sounds, the U sounds like you or use. It's like being smiling in a small way. We also have short sounds. It sounds like ooh, similar to a song when you are thinking, a more relaxed and short sounds. For example, word like cup and umbrella. Never forget that constant practice will lead you to complete master in pronunciations and remember its different sounds.